All right, my name is Ryan with Ryan with Roof Serve. I'm here at 3320 Cameron Trail for Eric Chen. We're here to show a repairability video to see if this roof is repairable, being that we have wind damage right here. If you come show this real quick. This is a wind damaged shingle. As you can see, the creasing and starting to tear right there a little bit. So as we repair this shingle, we're gonna look to see if there damages any shingles around to see if this is a repairable roof, being that it's been paid out for repairs. All right. So we have that. If you're watching, you can see that it's almost poking through these shingles, being that they're so degranulated and thin. I'm surprised if I don't rip a shingle as I'm pulling these up. So this is a very degranulated roof. The shingles are very worn. I'm trying my best not to tear it as I loosen these shingles up. Hand me the gun. Thank you. So as you can see, getting the shingles, the old shingle out, barely lifting the shingle to 45 degrees. You can see the crease line coming across this shingle, so well with this one, and the two above it as well. So just replacing one shingle has affected essentially 3 shingles or 4, just trying to repair one. And if we have to go repair these as well, we're now getting over into the ridge. We have to get over to the other slope, as this shingle is non-repairable with the brittleness, with the degranulation, and the age of this shingle. I deem this roof non-repairable, or for just a one simple shingle. Thank you.